Sometimes I'm reminded of you, like a bad dream. I'm repeating the view. Is it like you're awake, picturing your stupid face? I realize how stupid it is. I'm still thinking of you. But I'm sinking in quicksand, stuck in a room. All the windows are closed with no light seeping through. It was supposed to be you. It was supposed to be you. And I heard that you're doing fine. Maybe that proves we were doomed by design. And it's the same thing all over, only this time I'm supposed to be strong. But if you were my weakness, you think I'd be quick to move on. Oh, but I'm sinking in quicksand, stuck in a room. All the windows are closed with no light seeping through. It was supposed to be you. It was supposed to be you. And how can you still be smiling when I'm calling up my best friend crying? It was supposed to be you, supposed to be you. And I'm staring at the mess you crafted, rediscovering the girl you thought you knew. If I remember the truth, it was supposed to be you. He's supposed to. And I feel like I'm crazy, like a stranger in my own chaotic mind. But I'll keep pressing on, 'cause somewhere I know that there's light. And I'll hope for the magic in someone who will love me.